All right, this next video is for large intestine, and large intestine is between 5 and 7 a.m. in the morning. Let's start with central, which is at the pubic bone all the way to the bottom of the lip, and governing, coming by the tailbone here all the way up, coming up and over that head, and stopping at the top of the lip. Large intestine, starting at that thumb, coming up the front of the body, coming to the opposite nostril, and then stopping back at this nostril. Right here on the thumb, the front of the body, all the way up the neck, over here to the opposite nostril, and stopping back here at this nostril. Then we go to stomach, starting on our cheeks. From our cheeks, we drop down to our chins. We circle over the top of our face, coming all the way through the front of our body, off of our second toes. Then right here on the inside of your toe, spleen meridian, coming all the way up on the inside till we come to those hips, coming out underneath the armpits, coming to the sides of the body, just right here in line with the bottom of your chest, and thump. Nice little thump here. Okay? And then heart, starting here on the armpit, coming on the inside and off that pinky finger. Starting on the inside and coming off that pinky finger. Turn that around for small intestine, starting on that pinky to the front side of the body, dropping behind the shoulder, up the neck, coming over here to the cheek and back out to the ear. Beautiful. Pinky finger again, up, drop behind the shoulder, up the neck to the cheek and back out to your ear. Bladder, right here, right next to those beautiful eyebrows that you got. Up over the forehead, over the head, coming down as far as you can, reaching those arms up, coming right here to that tailbone, jog up and come around, frame that booty, come all the way up, all the way down the back, all the way off of that pinky toe, boop. From here, we get to do the lovely kidney, which starts at the ball of your feet. And you can bend over if you need to, since this is kind of funky. You come on the inside of that foot, back to this ankle, do a nice little circle behind the ankle, on the inside of the legs, all the way up, till you get right underneath your collarbones, and do a nice little thump here, thump, 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 thump. Nice kidney thump. From here, we go to circumflex. We are at the side of your chest, up and over that shoulder, on the inside of that arm, off that middle finger. Same thing on this side. Turn that hand over for that ring finger, coming all the way up the front side of that arm, right here, coming behind the ear, ending at the temple. Ring finger all the way up, coming up here, behind the ear, and ending at the temple. Then gallbladder, starting here at the temple and dropping down to the ears, coming forward and stopping right here. Trace behind the ears and stop right there. Trace up over the head, stop at your eyebrows. Tracing behind, back over the head and stopping here at the shoulders. Coming around those shoulders to the back, in at the waist, out at the hips, coming all the way down, and off that fourth toe. Liver, first and second toe right here, coming through the front side of this body, coming out to the side of the chest, and right down here in the middle of the chest, stopping there. Then going to lung, right here on the inside of that shoulder, up and over on the inside of that arm, off that thumb. Same on this side. And back to large intestine with that thumb, tracing the front side of the body, all the way up towards the opposite nostril and back. Same on this side, the nostril, and then back over. And then ending with central, pubic bone all the way to the bottom of the lip, and governing all the way up and over to the top of that lip. And there we are with large intestine that is between 5 and 7 a.m.